So me and Stefan, we just finished a really epic hike, and I'm in Portland today to visit Stefan, one of my oldest friends.
Yes, sir.
From Tacoma.
Yep.
Go way back. So it's been awesome catching up. And now we're going to ride, do one of Portland's unique experiences, which is ride the Portland Aerial Tram, which is one of the only two commuter aerial trams in the United States. So let's check this out.
This is the Portland Aerial Tram.
The tram is a really crucial piece of transportation infrastructure for Portland that helped us expand the downtown area and grow the largest employer in Portland, Oregon Health Science University.
The tram leaves the south waterfront area and makes the 3,300-foot trip to the top of Markham Hill in a mere 4 minutes.
A really iconic piece of infrastructure that the whole world can enjoy, and visitors to Portland really enjoy the spectacular views that we have up here at the top of the Portland Aerial Tram.
Portland Aerial Tram connects the city's south waterfront district and the main Oregon Health and Science University. Located in the Marquam Hill neighborhood? Does that sound familiar?
No. I don't know.
Okay. It is only one of 2 commuter aerial tramways in the United States. The other being New York City's Roosevelt Island Tramway. The tram travels a horizontal distance of 3,300 feet of cold and a vertical distance of 500 feet. And a ride that lasts 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
It's 3 minutes.
Short.
Yeah, I think it's only like $5 too.
Oh, damn. Short.
So, it is a commuter.
Yeah,
it is literally for
That's
commuters.
crazy. So it is for commuting. Okay, wow.
I'm literally shivering.
Yeah.
I should have brought my pants.
Yeah.
Oh well. I'll warm up in there.
Those of you guys that are wondering, Drew is nude right now. He's just nothing below. Just his boxers.
Yep. Yeah, and you can join us. Yeah, it should be interesting. So we're here now.
These tickets.
All right, tickets. Hello. Hi. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Do you want to do card or cash today?
Let's do card.
And together or separate?
Let's do together.
Yeah, let's do it together.
Whenever you're ready, you want to insert your card right here.
Oh, thanks, Stefan.
Yeah.
Perfect. Those will pop out right down here. And then we'll take the QR codes to scan them under the blinking orange light. So before you go, when you get up top, we have an observation deck that I recommend checking out.
Okay.
Ask your cabin attendant and hold on to those tickets for the round trip. We close at 5, so you can hang out up there as long as you want, as long as you're back through the gates before 5 p.m.
Okay.
Have
Okay.
fun,
Thank you.
Welcome.
Sweet. Okay, what you asked the cabinet attendant about what?
I didn't hear.
Keep this to come back down.
Yeah, exactly.
Hi, thank you. Alright.
They're playing jazz fusion.
How cool is this? That would be sick to live over there. One of those nice apartments.
You go here for work.
Yeah.
My mom would hate to.
Oh, really? Pretty nice. The aerial view. That was crazy. That was a unique mode of transportation.
I know. I feel like I commuted in a rare way.
Yeah. And now let's go check out the sky deck. Observation deck. All right.
Let's go observe.
We're gonna go observe. Yeah.
Observe what we can see on this day.
Oh, how fancy. Jeez.
Busy hospital.
Yeah. I'm vlogging in the hospital now.
I know. Almost makes you want to break your foot.
This must be this way. Oh, here we go. Wow. You can see Mount Hood in the background. That would be sweet. You can see where we started.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's a lot of elevation gain, but it doesn't seem to be that far. You know, just like in a straight line.
Yeah.
It's not really that far.
All the way down there. Thanks for coming with me, bro.
Anytime, man. Thanks for having me.
Yeah. Alright, let's soak up the views and then head back down.
Let's do it.
Alright.
This is like always like postcards. Oh. It's always like the tram and the backs,
That was really cool.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, I mean, it's for popular people, for tourists to do and see the city, but it also, if you want to get up the hill,
It was a quick way to do it.
quick, yeah. So,
Faster than driving.
way to go, city of Portland. That's cool. Add addition to your city, and now we're gonna go back down. And I think going back down, we'll have better views of like. Let's look forward again, and we'll see the mountains.
Yes.
Yeah. So that'd be cool. All right. I think we gotta wait about 5 minutes. So yeah, we're just gonna wait 5 minutes. But that's been a great day, dude. That was a sick hike. I'm glad I got to go to Portland today. Yeah. All right, now time to head back down. Hey. Yeah, well. 3 minutes?
Yeah, I think it's just 3 minutes.
3 minutes back down. Do you get to control the tram?
They know who he is.
Yeah, basically.
That's cool.
Yeah, so up there is the main computer system. So they have it at set speed.
Oh, okay.
But if I need to, I can override that.
Oh, interesting. Oh, that's a cool job. Yeah.
And so in case of something were to happen,
Yeah.
I can call them and say, hey, but I haven't heard nothing back.
Yeah.
I'll immediately override it.
Nice. Well, thanks for your help today. That was a good one. That was fun. That was my first time doing that.
Oh, yeah, that was a good job, Stefan.
Oh,
Turkey self-employed.
cool. Have a good one. All right, we did it, bro.
We did it. We're back.
That was worth it. Hey, thanks for buying the ticket.
Yeah, of course. Anytime, I got you.
So that was Portland's aerial tram, one of America's 2 commuter aerial trams.
Yep.
One of America's 2 commuter aerial trams. That's what it is, and that's why that was fun to do. So if you're in Portland, that would be a fun thing to do for a few bucks, and you get an awesome view of the city, and it's great to do with friends.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I feel.
agree as well.
Yeah, I feel closer now as
Yeah,
friends. bro.
definitely.
Yeah,
We just
yeah.
went through something.
Yeah.
You can't, travel 3 minutes through the air
Yeah.
with a 500-foot elevation gain and not be friends at the end.
That was epic.
Yeah.
So, all right. Highly recommend it. Portland Aerial Tram. Again, it's one of only 2 commuter aerial trams in the United States. It's incredible. All right, but that's it for now. We're gonna go get some food. See you next time. Signing off. Thanks again, Stefan.
Of course,
All right.
anytime.